If you need to unlock a domain on GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off domain lock so you can prepare your domain for transfers, updates, or other changes. This is a quick process, but it's important to follow it carefully so you don't miss anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services linked to your account, including your domains. Click on My Products to open your dashboard. Next, scroll down until you see the Domains section. Find the domain you want to unlock, and then click Manage next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, so you can control things like lock status, DNS, and other domain options. On the Domain Management page, click Domain Settings. This is where GoDaddy stores the important controls for the domain. Once you're inside Domain Settings, scroll down until you find the Domain Lock option. Domain Lock is usually turned on by default to help protect your domain from unauthorized transfers. To unlock it, toggle the switch to Off. In some cases, GoDaddy may label this as Unlock. After switching it off, you may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm the change so the unlock is applied. Once confirmed, your domain will be unlocked and ready for the next step, whether that's transferring it to another registrar or making account changes. Just remember, if you're unlocking it for a transfer, you may also need the authorization code and other transfer details later on. So that's how to unlock a domain on GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.